Hi friends, my name's Ed Marvin and I'm from Flash in Your Pan Productions. Um, Recently, about 3 weeks ago, I did a first impression of the white noise sound machine um, by FitFirst. Um, Here it is right here. Um, there it goes. I've been sleeping with it every night for the past 3 weeks now, and I have to say I've been sleeping like a baby. I've really liked it. It has a charging dock where you can plug your phone into the USB cables that are provided with it. You get one for Apple iPhones, Apple or Android. You can sit right up on there. You could
Bluetooth mode.
you can also hook it up to your other devices using Bluetooth. Unfortunately, my phone don't. It does not. My phone does not recognize it, but my tablet does. Um, but I prefer the sounds it makes. Yeah, crickets, babbling brook, birds. Also, frogs can be thrown into it. A lullaby for your kids, if you have any. And ticker, fireplace, the ocean, some thunderstorm, uh, then white noise, which I don't want to go to sleep listening to that. I'd rather have just a fan over than that. Sounds kind of like a pouring rain, but what I sleep to is a little cricket, a little more babbling brook. Since usually the birds aren't out at night, I don't do no birds, but I throw in a little frog, and sometimes I enjoy a nice roar of thunder in the distance. I absolutely love this product. I only paid $42.99 for it. The link to the products down in the description below. Um, I know on my first impressions review I was doing a scale from 1 to 10. This time I'll go with what they use on Amazon, and that's the scale of 1 to 5. Um, I really enjoy this product. I like it. I've been using it every night, and I sleep all the way through the night. I used to get kind of restless early in the morning, a couple hours, and I needed to wake up, and I've been sleeping right past that. So, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would have to give this product a 5, in my humble opinion. So, with no further ado, I'd like to thank you all for watching my review. This product, I like it a lot. And I hope you do too. So, thank you.